Hey, it's Jon Cook here with Keynote Content. I want to say thank you so much for connecting and hopping on this live video that we have going on for today. Thank you for taking the time, especially with so much going on in the world, so many different things going on. Like I said, I'm Jon Cook with Keynote Content, and as different people have reached out to us, whether they're speakers, coaches, consultants, podcasters, YouTubers, are saying, I feel like, especially with this COVID-19, that there's this chance for me to be able to serve a lot of people. How do I get my message out there? How do I make sure that I'm connecting with the crowd that I want to serve? But the reality is, I'm also looking at what business has done, what economies around the world are doing, with so many families, so many different countries are affected. Virtually every country in the world is affected right now by this COVID-19 crisis. And so I'm saying, if that's you, if you're saying, gosh, I'm part of that economy, I'm seeing the effect it's having on businesses, and I want to know, how do I keep connecting with the people I want to serve? How do I keep making sure that I'm serving people with my message? And so as I'm looking at today, I reached out to our list and said, how do I make sure I'm giving you the content that you're looking for so that you can face whatever that challenge is? Where they're saying, hey, I'm now online. I haven't really had to focus on online before. How do I create great content online? To also people say, no, I've been online, but I'm also need to generate sales faster. I need to generate more sales to keep my business going and serving more people. Or you're saying the third option I gave is like, no, I'm busier than ever. How do I keep creating great content to connect and serve with my crowd? And so getting the curation, we had 1,800 people on our list. We got dozens and dozens of replies from people saying, I know this is what I'm looking for. And the option that people are saying over and over again is saying, I need to generate more sales. I need to be able to serve more people and keep my business going. How do I do that? Especially for speakers who are saying, I'm used to getting a speaking fee, but now that these couple events are canceled, I don't have that speaking fee. How do I transition online, focus on an online only audience right now, and keep my business going, especially as a speaker, as a coach, as a consultant during this time? So I want to share with you is a couple ideas that I've seen working very well and what's worked for a couple of our clients. So this first one is that I call it a pay what you want. And with this pay what you want, it gives you a chance to be able to put whether it's that offer that you have for a digital content, a product, a course, whatever it might be, a book, being able to say a pay what you want allows you to say, put in that information, and they can enter in, basically they fill in the blank for whatever it is that they want to pay for the purchase price. You can do that through ClickFunnels, you can do it through a few other different ways where you can be able to have your information entered in so somebody can say, here's what I can pay right now. Great. The whole point is that I'm getting a product out there that I know can help people while also being able to keep my business going, if you're in the situation, keeping your business going so that you can keep serving more people. So that's the first option. And before I give you, I have like 5 or 6 other ideas I'm going to give you here. But as you're going through this, just saying, I need help getting my message out there, getting more results with my message. I don't know if I can do this myself. John, how can you help me? You can go to workwithjohncook.com, can fill out an application. It doesn't cost you a dime to fill out an application. And once I get an application from you, we can hop on a call. We can talk about your business. We can talk about your message, where you're at, where you might be seeing some opportunities to help more people during this economic downturn, and being able to get your message out there and keep your business going, keep your message out there, helping more people. So you can fill out the application, workwithjohncook.com, and then we can hop on a call and go from there. So with the first idea, pay what you want. So if somebody says, hey, if it's normally a $200, $500 product, where it might be, being able to give your audience a chance to say, hey, here's what I can do. And they can either, if you say, well, I don't know about the tech side of things, just have them send you, hey, send me via PayPal, whatever that amount is that you think you can pay right now. Great. So whether you're a coach who works with people in the financial industry, or people that you say, oh, I'm parenting, mindset, health and wellness, whatever it might be, giving them an option to, they can send you their amount, and then you give them that access. That's an easy way to have that happen. So what normally might be a $500 product, or $300 product, $1,000, whatever it might be, they PayPal you what they can afford right now. Great, and then you give them access to that product through a complimentary link. So that's one idea. Another idea is that you can also survey your list. So you can say, hey, I'm going to send a survey to my list saying, what's your challenge right now? What's your biggest challenge that you're facing right now? And that could be giving them a couple different options, like I did with our crowd. But for me, I wanted to create content that I know could give them results that they're looking for. This content right now, following these ideas to get you the results you're looking for. But you can say for your audience, saying, what is it that you're facing? What's that biggest challenge you're facing right now? And then you create a content in the form of like a training that you can record, and you can be able to sell access to that training, or you can be able to put together a course. You can put together, give them a few ideas. And I have another idea to go on in that same vein though, send them a survey, and then you create a digital product off of it. And likely, you might say, gosh, that's kind of daunting. Likely what they're asking for is something that you've already been thinking about or something you've already been engaging with in your mind, saying, I know I could help in this regard. But at that point, then it's just sitting down with your video camera, sitting down. You can record it on your phone. You can do this through Zoom. You can record it, and then you can be able to upload that to Vimeo or to your website, YouTube, wherever it might be, and give people who have a link, are the only people who are able to access that. Again, they can PayPal you some whatever they're able to afford at that point. Then you send the link to that training. That's another way to get to continue to generate sales and help more people. Now, the third idea that I've seen work very well is finding out what is your most effective product. You're saying, this is the product that I know can get, people rave about this product. You can take that product and you can say, all right, normally it's this amount, but then we're saying, hey, we're having it on a sale. You can do a flash sale, saying, hey, for the next 72 hours, it's this, and then you can add in a couple extra bonuses on top of that. Not only do you get this course or you get this book or you get this training, but I'm also going to add on this consultation or this community in addition to that. So that's an idea that I've seen work very well. Take your most effective product, put it on a flash sale, 72 hour, 48 hour, 24 hour, whatever it might be, giving people a chance to get that product at a steal of a deal at this point. That's a great way to get that. If you say, well, I don't have a digital product, what are some ways how I can still be able to monetize my expertise? And before I give you the information and the answer on that, if you're serious about being able to generate the content you're looking for, you're saying, but I need help with it, I'm not sure what to do with it, you can apply at workwithjoncook.com. You can go there, application is free, and apply for me to help you get the results you're looking for with your message, with your business. It doesn't cost you a dime to fill out your application, and then we'll hop on a call, figure out the best way for me to help serve you, and then we'll go from there. So again, workwithjoncook.com. Now, in that same vein, you say, I don't have a digital product. I don't have an idea of, something that's going to take too long. I need, I don't feel great with creating a product right now. Okay, there's still ways to leverage your expertise. So what you can do is you can take your expertise, saying, what are the top 1, 2, 3 things that people ask me to give my expertise, give my insight for? Something that is not necessarily a done for you or done with you, but more like, let's say you're a consultant or you want to give some coaching. What you can do is you can take your expertise and you can be able to put together 50-minute or 30-minute, whatever it might be, coaching sessions, kind of on-demand coaching sessions tied in with Calendly or with Acuity or Portmancore or whatever it might be, to where they can sign up for information on your calendar. And they can pay before they get a chance to book a call with you. They pay a your hourly rate, whatever your rate might be for that call. And then as part of signing up, you can ask them questions before they hop on the call with you. Hey, what's your biggest challenge? What are the things that you're looking for, that you're facing, that you think I can help you with my expertise? And it gives you a chance to be able to get inside their mind before they hop on the call with you. They've already paid for that call. And then in 50 minutes or 30 minutes, you can say, here are great action steps to help you get those results with this call. So again, you can take your expertise. You don't have to create a digital product at that point. Create expertise and monetize it through a 50-minute or a 30-minute coaching call. So again, it could be 50 minutes or it could be 30 minutes, however long you want. You can do it as really you can do this however long you want, but give them a chunk of time, at least 30 minutes, to where they know they're going to get some great value with what you're already getting ready to offer you. The fifth one that I have here is what I call your existing clients. You know that your existing client base is 7 times more likely to upsell into more opportunities to work with you. So take your existing clients and you can reach out to them, phone calls, texts, emails, shoot a video and be able to send them a video through Facebook Messenger or through email and say, hey, wanted to connect with you. I know that there's a lot of uncertainty, a lot of just misinformation out there right now. I have served you well in the past. I'd love to keep serving with you. And in fact, here are some ideas that I have on how I can help take your business and continue on, get you grow your business even through this recession, through this crisis, and continue serving you more. So what you can do is take that existing clients base that you have and reach out to them. I say start with your most recent month of clients and reach out to them one by one and say, hey, Here are a couple ideas of how I can keep serving you. Does this make sense for you and where you're at with your business right now? And again, don't offer a solution unless you know you can help get the results to help them make more money through this recession as well. And by thinking through that, it proves that you value working with them as people, not just profit. Because we have to value people over profit. You serve people first, you worry about profit, because if you serve people very well, profit will always follow. It always follows. And as you're going through this time, you might say, John, I don't know how to go through this. I feel like I'm stuck. I feel like I don't have it within me. I promise you, you have it within you to be able to serve your clients well, generate the sales you're looking for, and be able to make a meaningful impact with your message. Whether you're a speaker, coach, consultant, podcaster, YouTuber, trainer, service provider, whatever it might be, you have this opportunity to help people get those results and be able to keep your message moving forward, because people are, and you might face some situations where people say, you shouldn't make sales this time. People are in a recession. COVID-19, people are dying right now. Shame on you for making money during this time. Unless you make money, you're not going to have a business. Without the business, there's not the opportunity to make an impact and serve more people. So how do you right size the focus on profit in tandem with people that you're serving so that you can keep your message moving forward, helping more people, generating sales at the same time, so you know that you can scale and help even more people beyond right now? Because the world is starving for your message right now. The people need to know that what you have to offer will help them have a more meaningful tomorrow and next week and next month, because you took the time to serve them during this moment. And unless we put content out there, unless we connect with our existing client base and say, here's the way that I can upsell with greater value, upsell for greater value, a great win-win. Unless I'm taking the time to focus on how I'm serving them and giving them value with everything that I'm offering, I need to focus on that first. And you can take your expertise. You don't have to create a digital product. You can take your expertise, put it into a coaching call, coaching session, on demand, whatever it might be. You can say, hey, if you have a digital product that you have to offer, give people a chance to say, this is my pay what you want, what you can right now. And people might say, gosh, can I do this in payment plans? Sure, that's fine. But also saying, I'm more concerned with giving you this product in a way that's a great win-win, and not necessarily expecting to have this massive value coming back into me first. I want to give value in advance, make sure that this product, this book, this course, this training, whatever it might be, gets you the momentum that you need for your life, and then the profit will come my way. What I'm giving out is value in advance, and profit will come in return. So I want you to hold on to that today. Make sure that you're staying safe, staying home, washing your hands, showing love and hope to the world around you, and we'll catch you next time, okay? Take care.